Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today we'll start with a brand new collection. This collection is very important for me, is the safari animals, and it was designed and made specially for my baby girl. And with the help of you guys, because I asked a couple of months ago which kind of collections should I crochet with her, for her, because I would share it here on this channel. So we are starting with this lovely crocheted elephant. The free pattern, you can find the link for it in the description below this video, as well in the first comment, just right under this video here. Okay, this elephant, it's very simple to crochet. All the informations, all the pattern, it's written in a most thoughtful detail. Here I want to show you something about the ears, because we sew the ears just a bit after halfway. You see, just right around 3 rounds under the halfway of the ears. So we have this leftover of the ears hanging on its face. To sew the limbs, the arms and legs, it's very easy. And this part for the neck, you will see in the written pattern, there is 2 rounds inside the head, which makes the head have a great structure. All right, now I want to show you here up front a little bit the next patterns that I will be sharing here. We'll have this giraffe very soon, and the lion. Look at this, super cute. I want to show you here the tail, it's so nice. All the details of this crochet animals are great. I really hope you enjoy them. All right, this collection will be 12 animals. 12 of them, yes. So stick around and I hope you enjoy them. I see you on the next Thursday. Bye.